Hi, I'm attorney Joshua Prince, Chief Counsel at the Firearms Industry Consulting Group, a division of Prince Law Offices PC. Today I want to talk with you about denials and revocations of licenses to carry firearms. As many of our viewers are aware, a license to carry firearms here in Pennsylvania is equivalent of a concealed carry permit in other states. However, here in PA, we call it a license to carry firearms, or LTCF for short. Now, a lot of individuals are surprised when they receive a denial or revocation in the mail. In relation to either a denial or revocation, although rare in relation to a revocation, there are two different bases or overarching issues to be concerned with. First is whether or not that denial or revocation is based on a Pennsylvania State Police background check where the Pennsylvania State Police believes the individual is a prohibited person. In those occasions, the individual would not be challenging the sheriff's determination because the sheriff has not made any such determination, but rather challenging the Pennsylvania State Police through the PICS challenge format. The second possible reason for denial or revocation would be something that's discretionary with the sheriff, which would generally only be character and reputation. I've previously done videos on character and reputation and the fact that one's character and reputation is not defined in the statute and allows for unequal application of the law throughout the Commonwealth. Generally, as I said, if you already have your license to carry, an issue would not arise during the 5-year window where the individual would all of a sudden be denied because of a Pennsylvania State Police background check, as background checks aren't going to be performed during that 5-year period. When you go to renew your license right before that 5-year window, the sheriff will conduct a new background check to make sure that you are not a prohibited person. It's been my experience if during that 5-year window the individual becomes a prohibited person or is even charged with any type of crime, the sheriff will generally issue a letter revoking that person's license to carry, and typically it's based on character and reputation, not that the individual is a prohibited person. Now, when you get any license to carry firearms denial or revocation, it's very important to understand that you only have 30 days from the date of the letter to appeal. You may not receive that letter for a week or so past the actual date on the letter, but you only have 30 days to appeal from the date of the revocation or notice of denial. As I said before, depending on whether it's a Pennsylvania State Police denial, which would result in you having to go through the PICS challenge process, or a revocation or denial by the sheriff for character and reputation, where you would have to file an appeal with the Court of Common Pleas appealing that decision, you only have that 30-day window. So it's very important that you get competent counsel soon after receiving that letter informing you of any denial or revocation, so that your attorney has adequate time to prepare the appeal that's necessary, and so that all your bases can be protected and covered in that appeal. I hope you found this video informative. If you have questions, please leave them below. If you have thoughts or ideas on other topics that you'd like to see us discuss, please leave them below. Hope you liked this video. If so, please click the like button. Feel free to share it, and thanks.